Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Odyssey engine air filter. First, locate the air filter housing, typically a large black box, on the passenger side of the engine bay. Before you start, make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid any burns. You will need a new engine air filter and possibly a Phillips head screwdriver for this simple maintenance task. Now, let's access the filter. Most Honda Odyssey models have 4 metal clips around the perimeter of the air filter housing. Unclip these by pulling them outwards. Some variations might also have 1 or 2 small screws that need to be removed. Once all fasteners are loose, gently lift the top half of the air box to expose the old filter inside. With the housing open, carefully lift out the old, dirty engine air filter. Take a moment to inspect the inside of the air filter housing for any accumulated leaves, dust, or other debris. You can wipe it clean with a cloth if needed. Now, take your new air filter and place it into the housing, making sure it sits snugly and correctly in its designated slot. Finally, it's time to reassemble everything. Carefully lower the top half of the air box back into position, ensuring it aligns properly with the bottom. Reattach all 4 metal clips, pushing them firmly into place. If your model had screws, tighten those as well. A clean engine air filter helps your engine breathe better, improving fuel economy and overall performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.